Hi everyone, Rosie Tours here. I'm here on level 5 of the Podium. It's the 22nd of March. It's 3:31 in the afternoon. And today I'm going to show you around this level of the Podium, which is not often explored but has some good dining establishments, or at least the most updated ones, under Alert Level 1 here in Metro Manila. I will show you around each store to give you a good idea of what are open, what are still existing, what has closed, and the new stores that are to come. So let's go. So this is the Fast Bay SM Podium, which offers unlimited dim sum. This is a sample of their menu, and this is their dining area. And then to its left is New Bombay, which offers authentic Indian cuisine. They have been here at this mall for a long time now, and glad to note that they're still around and have well withstood the pandemic. Then to your right, there's Nanyang, which is a Korean restaurant, more like a Korean dessert bar. And then to its left is the Directors Club, which is an exclusive cinema. Unlike the typical movie theaters you see in bigger malls, this one offers lazy boy options. So this is the lounge area, I suppose. Of course, you have to be prepared to pay premium price. We will stay along this aisle first, and then we will walk around to see the other side of level 5 here at the Podium in Pasig City. And this is the outer dining area of the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf coffee shop. Sort of their alfresco setup. A lot of people hanging out this mid-afternoon for coffee or tea and cakes and pastries. And then there's Meat Fresh milk tea bar. Some of the options they offer. And of course, they also have a somewhat spacious dining area here. Let's follow this hallway. To the left is Kimono Ken, which is one of the more well-known Japanese restaurants. And Bowl by Uma Uma, which is closed. But this is what they have to offer next time they open. By the way, I haven't been here in quite a while, even before the pandemic started. So it's like I'm also touring this place for the first time in a couple of years. So I might be as surprised as you to discover new stores or newly opened shops, which is good either way. And this is Kairos specialty coffee shop and bistro. So fancy coffee shop. And then there's the Cafe Mediterranean. So far the restaurants here on level 5 are fancy restaurants. This is not your run-of-the-mill budget meal restaurant. This is where you can probably go on nice dates or nice and quiet catch-ups, elevated coffee experience. Then there's Motorino pizzeria. This also it also looks fancy. So this is a pizza place. This is what the interior looks like. And here's a sample lunch plate that they offer. And there's also a dinner plate. And then there's Shilin, a famous Taiwanese restaurant. They've been around for quite some time as well, even before the pandemic. So glad to see that they're also still in business. And Manhan, fancy Chinese restaurant. There's Yaku Japanese Grill right there. And if you need to do a quick stop at the restroom, this is just right beside the Yaku. So this is the hallway. In front of it, there's an interactive floor directory if you want to find your way faster and more accurately. This is what the other side of the hall looks like from the side of the restroom hallway. And then there's a shabu-shabu place here, which is actually quite big. It's humongous. So they offer healthy shabu-shabu prime by CH. Not really sure what that is, but yep, this is where you go if you'd like that kind of meal option here at the Podium. This is Uma Uma, which we've already passed by. But this is what the inside looks like. And some of their meal options just beside the entrance. I can hear birds chirping in the background. I don't know if you do too. Not sure where that's coming from, but there's still actually one more level up. Level 6, which currently hosts a vaccination site for those wanting to get their anti-COVID jab. So here's Kimono Ken once again. Just a quick preview of the inside. When there are people inside, I try not to shoot them for privacy reasons, especially since this is a swanky place. So the privacy thing has a much higher value here, you'd understand. And then there's Taiku HK roasted food. This is their dining area, which is also quite spacious. Right beside them are the elevators. Although we will not run short of escalators here, like this one. But yeah, if you'd rather take the elevator, no problem. Especially if you have someone with you in a wheelchair or a baby stroller. And then there's Snoop by Vikings. Also, definitely a fancy restaurant. So this is what the inside looks like. Almost looks like a hotel lobby. Even have a chandelier. So that gives you an idea of the price options you will probably experience there. And then there's Putian. I'm not sure if this is Taiwanese or Chinese. Oh, it's a mixed Asian cuisine. And this might further help. Right outside the entrance. Wow. They even have a happy hour. Buy one, get one from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. only. But this is only valid from March 7 to the 31st, Monday to Fridays, except holidays. So if you still have time to make it here on those dates before the validity expires for the happy hour, do come over. This is their menu. And they also offer fresh oysters. And then right next to it, there's Lola. This is Lola Cafe, and these are their menu options here, as well as here. Hope you can read it before you head over here. This is the outer dining area, which is pretty cool actually, facing the escalator. Not much for a view, but at least, you know, if you don't want to feel tight inside, or you want bigger space, you can definitely hang out here outside the spacious hallway of level 5. The layout of this mall is like it's a roundabout, so you just go around, and pretty soon you'll find yourself back where you started. So yeah, this is the part we just explored. There's a Cocoa Monster kiosk. Of course, they offer cocoa. I think premium tableta tablets. I'm trying to see what else or what other restaurants are featured here, not found elsewhere. And there's Bird Boss. Okay, I don't think I've seen this in other malls. And yep, just as the name of the store suggests, they offer chicken options. So there are chicken sandwiches and whatnot. This is a well-lit fast food, and this is the dining area, albeit a bit small compared to the others we've seen so far. But nevertheless, if you want a quick chicken sandwich bite, definitely that's the place to go. There's also Pumi here, which is not exclusive to the Podium. They're also located in other malls, even in Robinson's Magnolia Mall. Sebastian's Ice Cream has grown from a small kiosk when they started a few levels down. They've now evolved into a full-grown space, brick and mortar, which is nice to see. So they offer gourmet ice creams in unique flavors. This is now fronting the Directors Club, Nanyang to its right, and then a few meters away is New Bombay. So if you like a quiet, chic, elevated dining experience, the Podium is the mall for you, away from the crowd and a lot more private, definitely. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more walking tour videos like this that guides you around the city on foot or on my two wheels. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, keep safe and have a rosy day ahead. Bye!